Who's getting married?
I just need you to tie the bow and make sure that the
What the heck?
Yeah.
I'm dressing?
You just have to tie the bow.
No.
Squeaky, you're ruining your outfit. Ow, I fell.
And have the satin facing her. Yeah.
No, girl named Satin.
Okay.
Danny will elaborate.
So look how cute her dress is, and look at her veil. It's paper towels. I don't know what this is. This is her veil, and this is her dress on top. You don't look too happy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna catch you. No, guys, so you guys are just gonna sing one motion. You guys are gonna get married there. How about we do that right now? Oh, good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go put the camera somewhere. Put this one. So both of my animals are getting married today because they've been. I feel like that simulation is in love, but they're actually just not in love. Ready? You don't want to be at your brother's and bestie's wedding? It's like that teenager that won't come out of her room. So, I'm going to be a priest. Squeaky, look at you.
Wow.
Look how cute you are.
Grace, you look great.
I need to tighten this up. Okay, it's really tight enough. Squeaky. Okay, so we're going to go to my room. We're going to go to my room. And then we're going to go hang out there and get the... Oh, crap. We're going to go to the bathroom and have the wedding.
Let's go.
So I'm going to go get them both up there. Yeah, bye, guys. I'll be back. So I just got Sweetie in there. It's time for Aziah to come in there. I'm going to pick her up. Oh, we're going to go upstairs. So we're going to go upstairs. And then...
Why are you in the stats together? That's a complicated question.
Not really. I hope your dress isn't ruined. Because a ruined wedding day dress is never good. Okay, the cat is right there. Squeaky! Squeaky! Oh, your part of your dress ruined. Oh. I can't fix it. Now the whole dress is ruined. Oh well, you don't need such a big dress. Can the toilet take this? Fixed it. You had to take off your guys' costume. First your wedding dress, now you. Crap. Oh, because you got it stuck in the door. Squeaky, don't mess around. I hate dressing you guys. So, a wedding day isn't that hard. Gotta kick it. What are they gonna say when you become an abusive dad? What are they gonna say? Because you kicked the camera, so it's not gonna be such a surprise. Screw my life. Look at each other. Squeaky, Squeaky! I'll make it tighter so you can't move. I hate my life. Now lay down. Lay down. It's like villagers in Minecraft. You have to like lock them up for them to get married. Okay. This is the worst wedding day ever. Squeaky, do you take Aziah as a loving wife? I'm gonna take that as a yes because he started to look at her. Aziah, do you take this man as your wife or husband? Okay, you blinked. I'm gonna take that as a yes, and you're shaking to death. You may kiss the bride if you want. You may lick. There we go, kissing the ear. How adorable these two are. Oh God, Aziah. It's time to party. Okay, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm gonna post some stuff on like. You're gonna say bye to your followers, your fans. You don't have any fans yet. I'm sorry. Squeaky, yeah. I know this was supposed to be dedicated to Reddy, and Aziah, but Reddy is just being a total. Not gonna say it. She's being a total toilet because, you know, her. You know? You guys don't know her that much, but she hates it. Anyway, you stay with your husband. Now you guys got married, so now I have to tell my mom, then my mom's gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, we're gonna keep. Oh! Okay, guys. Bye, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this funny video of them getting married. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. Yeah, Squeaky, he is not that happy, so we're going to take off your purse. And then, guys, we're going to make a hate video for Reddy for not being here for them. My mom isn't here for them either. So yeah, guys, leave a big heart. Bye, guys.